setiap kali ada orang yang duduk di atas tu, bekas Perdana Menteri ke apa ke, setiap kali ada kaitan dengan rasuah, apa yang akan dikeluarkan oleh MACC? Notice section 36. Declare your assets. Tun M pun kena, Tun Daim pun kena. Now, where is the notice for Azam? Is MACC going to keluarkan notice kepada Azam? It's going to be a joke. That's why I said Azam has no choice but to leave. Now, can you imagine? Esok MACC kata, okay, kita nak declare your assets. Then MACC bagi kepada MACC punya chief lah. MACC chief kata, saya tak nak declare. Balik sini, okay, siasatan selesai. That's the situation we are facing. And then, second thing, brief one. Sekarang ada komiti yang akan siasat Azam Baki. Who is in the committee? Our AG, Tan Sri Dusuki. Selama ni, bila MACC lengkapkan kertas siasatan, kertas tu dihantar kepada siapa? Kepada Tuan Dusuki. So now what? Tuan Dusuki akan siasat, hantar balik kepada Azam. You all play lah, ding dong here and there. I nak tanya, I want section 36 notice to be issued on Azam Baki. That must be done immediately. He must declare his assets. Now Azam kena duduk dekat office dia kena tulis notis kepada Azam bin Baki, dia kena tanda tangan, dia kena serah kepada diri sendirilah. Azam steps down, if he takes garden leave, then the rightful thing to do is for MACC to issue the notice. Okay. Who is going to issue? I mean, MACC pun tahulah. But that must happen. You cannot give excuses. Kita akan buat siasatan lah, this lah, that lah. Today ke semalam, I dengar Azam kata, there is no need for me to step down. Who are you to decide you need to step down or not? Hello, you are implicated. Kenapa bila orang lain implicated, they don't have that right to say, I don't need to step down? Clear double standards, clear conflict. But let's see how far and what happens. I'm also wondering, I'm really wondering. How can we reach such a stage? 2026 tau. We are still still in the same rut. Ini sajalah. And if you all read the news yesterday, masa 1MDB, the same thing happened. Who was the Menteri Kewangan then? Najib. Who was the Perdana Menteri? Najib. Now, Anwar, Perdana Menteri. Menteri Kewangan, Anwar juga. It's the same thing lah. Maybe, I don't know, maybe they learned from the previous administration. I don't know. These are real answers, Ini adalah persoalan yang mereka wajib jawab. You are penjawat awam. You pergi mana-mana, YB. But jawablah soalan ni. We want to know. Rakyat want to know. Kita mempunyai hak untuk tahu. We have a right of information. Not just dismiss orang bila orang tanya, dengar penjelasan masing-masing. Saya tak perlu vacate the seat. Come on, what nonsense.